dress, looking a mess. But I just got this package. And if y'all know me, mama gets very excited when she gets packages, so it's very difficult for me to do unboxings because I open my stuff when I get it. However, I thought that y'all might be interested in seeing this, so I decided to get on this camera with no makeup, no nothing. I did just have some earrings on. Half of my nails are popping off because we're going to the nail shop tomorrow, but that's not why you are here. So let's get right into this unboxing. Now this is a bag that you guys have seen before. My son is also here, y'all, so this might be a hot ghetto mess because he be acting ghetto sometimes. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with being ghetto. I can be ghetto. Anyway, y'all have seen this bag before, just not in this color. So this is from the Cise store. I hope I am saying that right. Is it Cise? 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 I'm gonna have to go look that up before I leave here today. Right, so just got some paper in here, not too fancy on the packaging, and just a basic packaging slip. Let's get that over there, and wham, bam, thank you, ma'am and sir. Here we go. So this is the dust bag. Y'all see it. Yes, I bought the same purse. Are you judging me? I hope you're not, because I wouldn't judge you. You need the message and all the colors. Girl, don't play. Y'all playing, and I don't want you to anymore. I want you to stop playing with me, girl. Oh my gosh, is this one smaller than my cherry blossom? This one actually, y'all, feels like a lot more doesn't have as much give, and it's not as pliable as my cherry blossom. Of course it has the strap, but I'm not even gonna worry about that now. What's different in this one though is they give you you know, I don't think I got this with my cherry blossom. Oh, and then they give you care instructions in this one, which is great because I don't have vegan leather bags. All my bags are leather, so interesting. I'm gonna have to go back and read how you care for this and come back on the video and let you guys know. Let me go get my cherry blossom. It's right there. It ain't gonna take me long. Where y'all got to go? Wait, just wait 1 second. Okay, so see, I already got a spot on my cherry blossom one, which is why I bought this one. See, they look, they're the exact same size, but the texture on the caramel, what is the exact color? Because I don't want to say chestnut or anything when it is not. It's caramel. Okay, so the caramel off the bat feels more like leather. Like, it's not, this feels like it may be a different material. This one actually does feel more like a genuine leather bag. Let's see how the bottom, like this one is just a little bit more soft to the touch than this one. Love this one for the color, but like the texture on this one. And they're both supposed to be vegan leather, but something is different with this one. I don't know. Well, seeing as how sis right here is already dirty and I don't know how to clean her, I'm finna read these care instructions, wipe her down, put her in her dust bag, and we gonna carry this bad boy now. She is just, which one do y'all like? This was also a Mother's Day gift to myself, so I don't know if you'll see this video first or if you will see the what I got for Mother's Day video first. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. You will know when I upload it. How about that? Okay. Love this one, but girl, this is a Tiereney bag right here, like a nice classic brown bag. And I love my Louis, so my Louis in the monogram, just because it's that classic like brown color. So this is like, this is fun. This is bam. What does her purse say? Bam. Look at that color. This is like, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bitch. Like, oh, this is like fun, flirty. This is like boss business. I mean, I'm both, but girl, I'm gonna change purses.